Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the Matcha box. So it comes in this really nice package. So I'm not really sure what exactly is inside it. I just know through the picture and this description in here I have and the text. Looking at the box, not much written actually, pretty much nothing around it. Let's just open it up and see what we have got inside. There we go. And here. So how can we open it from here? I believe, yep. So let's see what we have got inside. Pretty nice box actually. Right, so there we have a kind of small towel. This is the description in here. So how to make matcha. So step by step, pretty cool. So then we have this little tool in here. So that is our lift and the whisk, and it comes in this really nice, actually really nice ceramic. So pretty cool. I'm not very sure what the usage of this thing is, but hopefully we will figure it out. There is also this one. So we have got also this tool in here. There is a little small filter as well, and there is a bowl as well in here. Pretty nice quality ceramic, I would say. And this is our whisk pack basically. Just see how I can take this out. Yeah, perfect. That's pretty much it. So smells amazing actually. So really nice wood, I would say. So this one, as you know, basically the usage of it is basically, let's just follow this thing in here. So it explains probably better than me. Warm and preparation. So heat bowl with warm water, soak the bamboo whisk for 30 seconds. So we're going to put this one in the water for 30 seconds. Number 2, lift the matcha. So place 1 or 2 tablespoons of matcha basically using the filter. And so basically we put the matcha on this. Yeah, let me just replicate it. So we put the matcha on top of this. Then we use this tool to do like this to get them through here. Yeah. And then afterwards we need to use this tool. Basically we do like this inside the bowl. Yeah. To rest the whisk, this is the holder for the whisk. That's how we can put on top of it. So it can also keep its shape, and it can also help drying this out. Enjoy immediately. So basically you can just drink it directly inside this. And in order to rinse it, so you can just wash and rinse all these components in here, this one as well. And wow, pretty simple. And this little thing in here, so is not really written anywhere, I believe is like this, similar to the chopsticks. Nice product, really good quality actually. This one is a very good quality, I would say. So based on my knowledge, if you guys have more knowledge on that, I'm happy to learn on this as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up on a daily basis. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, thank you, and bye bye.